fast. Okay? So I have my laundry here in the bag. And my stuff. So you're thinking, where's the soap? Well, the soap is already in my hair. Yeah. It smells super good, this soap. Going into my clothes. I took a lot of shampoo, obviously, because I knew I was emptying my laundry. Yeah, I don't need that much shampoo, but now that I'm doing this double deal. Obviously, I'm not going to show you the rinsing part. It's just like... Alors, je vous montrerai pas le rinçage, là, mais c'est pas trop de shampoing. Mais, voyez-vous, je ne ferai jamais de douche, moi. J'ai juste besoin d'une débarbouillette. Je ne ferai pas de douche parce qu'il y a beaucoup de chlore. Alors, j'évite de m'asperger d'eau chlorée, voyez-vous. I don't shower because I'd rather use a hand wash because it avoids me all the chlorine exposure and whatever in the water when it is. Don't be paranoid, I don't care. It just works for me. So I turned the pile around just to get like the maximum coverage of soap in there. But there's so much soap. I should have put that much soap in my hair because it takes more time to rinse. Alors je rince avec la débarbouillette. Alors je rajoute de l'eau propre, voyez-vous, après avoir évacué le savon. I rinse with a hand cloth by squishing out the soap and squishing out the soap from my hair and the rinse cloth, and it's full of water to rinse. But I'm having to go to a shower and get all my body wet for good reason. Because I'm hand washing myself all day. I live in a place where it's hot, you get sweaty. It's like you bring your own toothbrush after a meal kind of deal. Well, I bring my own washcloth after a sweat of going one place to another because, well, it's summer, you probably know, but here it gets even warmer. Sometimes 100 degrees a few days in a row. You wake up in a sweat, no matter what. Alors ici, évidemment, je suis au Mexique. Je suis à Tulum. I'm in Tulum right now, in Aldeazana. Nobody seems to care. Well, care. Mind that I use the water here. It's kind of a public dispensary water kind of thing. I guess someone's paying the water. The water here is expensive. It's not like where you're from, probably. But I'm not being a hog here.
From the Buccaneers burning to the Caribbean, burst to the sea rovers working where the empires couldn't rush. We came through the gaps, the shallow water decays. No papa monopoly, no letters patent, no crown. We rewrote the articles while the government came down. Equal shares on deck, a vote before the sale. Democracy at sea while the land was trapped in jail. It's schooling wrong from the inside wrong. True John dressed it up for the Enlightenment's debut. Both of them forbidden, both of them surviving. Because 2% of the die, so I've been writing since the 90s without a publisher's hand. Pirates first, sovereign press operates from Tulum district.
Instances will hold my laundry so it's nice and good and I can get the stench out of it. I'm gonna dry it in the park while I have my
cargo, build a college, write the myth, but the shadow engine ran before any of that shit. Shadow
It
engine,
doesn't take too
shadow
much
engine,
time.
progress.
And the rest of the drawing, I just wear the clothes while it's
Shadow engine.
still wet,
Every
and
century
it just
different
keeps me
seas,
cool.
it's the same damn thing. We
Alors,
don't
je
have
vais
permission, we
sécher
established prior
pour avoir
claim.
rincé mon linge.
The cannon built itself.
Alors, je vais avoir besoin d'un petit message ou deux.
The cannon
Je vais
built
enlever le
itself.
savon.
The cannon built itself. Fast forward 3 centuries, same war, different color pirate. They opened up the digital road, not just
Mon
movies
j'ai
and
pas
albums. They
vraiment
mixed the real
ça,
load.
mais juste
Students in the developing world self-taught, and what got torn out of know that's the honor-rated scholarship that built the end design. Untire-rated software in the 2000s grind. And who trained the neural networks on the stairs by ride. Stolen sea, the trillion-dollar models that run the industry. Get the days fed on pirate archives while the lawyers turn their eyes. So don't talk to me about that. This is how it always works. The Buccaneers fed the colony before the model learned the shadow engine ran, and then the credit got transferred. They built William and Mary on the silver that we stole. They built the future on the corpus that we broke out of control. They confiscate the cargo, build a college, write the myth. But the shadow engine ran before any of that shit. Shadow engine, progress. Always move through
And I'm pretty much done
shadow engine.
with my laundry and washing my hair.
We don't have permission, we established.
I can start actually wearing the stuff that I can dry up myself. Like my bathing suit, no problem. I can wear it right away. Gonna dry in an hour.
Not once. This is the pattern. This is the William and Mary effect. The empire condemns the pirate. The empire
My
builds on the
second
pirate's work.
rinse.
The empire forgets it needed the pirate. So the next generation of pirates shows up, and the empire is
Almost
surprised.
clear water.
Again, the sea doesn't care about your copyright. The sea doesn't care about your paywall. The sea doesn't
Then I
care about
get
the
turned,
navigation
right?
act. The sea carries what it carries. It always
Make
pirates
sure
first. Sovereign by design.
nothing's left in there. But that's pretty much it. Then I'm gonna just swish the water away. Take my clothes around on the bench, and it'll be dry pretty much in an hour. And like I said, this is a pretty friendly area. Nobody seems to mind. Police doesn't bother me. Alors, ça va me prendre à peu près une heure faire sécher ça au soleil. Je fais ma sieste. Le sais, ça c'est bien rincé. Je vais juste faire ça. Yeah. Alors, merci pour votre attention. C'est un plaisir. Okay, so this is my yoga. It's pretty thin. It's really nice. I like it like that. So I'm gonna process my stuff over the yoga so I get it a rinse, because it's getting sticky from my sweat at night. So hopefully I can get the most of the sticky stuff out, and then it's kind of a rinse, and then I lay my, see, I have sunlit area. It's gonna take a little bit while longer before almost the whole thing is. Ça va prendre un petit peu de temps là avant que tout le cycle soit éclairé par le soleil, mais ça prendra pas longtemps pour sécher. Il faut que je fasse attention parce qu'il y a de la there's fecal matter from the birds, so I have to stay on the edges here where there's no tree, so there's no fecal matter from the birds when I like here to mix with my faut pas que je mélange avec les crottes de moineaux mon linge qui est en train de sécher, quoi. En tout cas, bref, j'espère que c'est tout pour mon montage. Peut-être après je vais vous montrer. Mais déjà, vous pouvez voir, mes shorts sont déjà quasiment secs. J'ai comme marché 2 minutes, puis quand ça fait chaud, il est midi. Alors, that's all. Alors, comme vous pouvez remarquer, je suis déjà en train de porter un des chandails mouillés. J'ai rincé mon yoga, là je vais pas tout laisser l'eau dessus, c'était juste pour vous montrer là, que ça va faire du bien de laisser ça sécher avec la gravité. C'est ça, avec la gravité on tord le bas, après on change de barre. C'est comme ça que ça marche pour accélérer le séchage. Ça a pris 8 minutes de laver.
Puis le séchage, ça prend 1 heure, le gros max. Je pourrais le porter, puis ça sèche sûrement. Bref, je suis seté. Je suis bien au frais malgré le fait qu'il fait 33 degrés dehors. À bientôt.